Hi everyone, today's headlines. $68 million project linked to improve quality of education in Nagaland. House gutted by fire at Zamziram, B Block Jaluki. Nagaland legislator call on Nirmala Sitharaman request special allocation for Trans-Nagaland Highway. Union Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan to lay foundation stone for Medical College Mon on February 26. Mogajang man held with illegal liquor. Samyukta Kisan Morcha to observe Anti-Repression Day today. Dare Mighty Things, Mars rover giant parachute carried secret message. News in details. $68 million project linked to improve quality of education in Nagaland. The Government of India, Government of Nagaland and the World Bank yesterday signed a $68 million project to enhance the governance of schools across Nagaland as well as to improve teaching practices and learning environment in select schools. The Nagaland Enhancing Classroom Teaching and Resources projects will improve classroom instruction, create opportunities for the professional development of teachers and build technology system to provide students and teachers with more access to blended and online learning as well as allow better monitoring of policies and programs. Such an integrated approach will complement conventionally delivery models and help mitigate the challenges posed by COVID-19. About 150,000 students and 20,000 teachers in the government education system in Nagaland will benefit from the statewide reforms in schools. House gutted by fire at Zamziram B Block Jaluki. A kacha house along with household belongings were gutted by fire and property worth rupees 1.5 lakh approximately were lost at Zamziram B Block Jaluki under Parent District on Monday. The ROE Fire and Emergency Services Kenny King in a press release informed that the Fire and Emergency Services received a fire call at 4:48 p.m. on February 22, 2021 from Zamziram B Block Jaluki. Accordingly, Fire and Emergency Services team from Fire Station Jaluki proceeded to control the fire and fire tenders along with sufficient equipments and fire personnel were pressed into action. Nagaland legislator call on Nirmala Sitharaman request special allocation for Trans-Nagaland Highway. Nagaland legislator led by Minister for Higher Education and Tribal Affairs Temjen Imna Along called on Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman at New Delhi yesterday and discussed various state matters with the minister. Taking to Twitter, Imna said, "We requested Union Finance Minister for the Trans-Nagaland Highway allotment as well as discuss the policies for NEP of northeastern states and farmers producing organization for Nagaland." Union Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan to lay foundation stone for Medical College Mon on February 26. The Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Government of India, Dr. Harsh Vardhan to lay foundation stone for Medical College at the District Hospital Mon at 10 am on February 26, 2021. Chief Minister Nefirio, Health Minister S. Pangifom, MP Lok Sabha Tokeho Yaptomi, Deputy CM Y. Patton, Minister for Agriculture Corporation G. Kaito Aye, Minister of Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue, Parliamentary Affairs Neighbor Krono, Minister of Transport, Civil Aviation and Railways, Land Resources P. Paiwang Konyak along with others will be present at the foundation stone laying program on February 26, 2021. Mogajang man held with illegal liquor. Mogajang police arrested 25-year-old man while transporting illegal liquor on Monday, February 22, 2021. Mogajang police in a notification stated that on February 22, 2021 at around 5 hours, the police received information from a reliable source that a vehicle carrying illegal liquor from Assam was headed towards Tuli. While conducting checking, one vehicle was intercepted bearing registration number AS4AA0980 and police recovered 45 cases and 7 bottles of MC rum and 25 cases of cane beer. In this connection, one person was arrested, namely MD Shan Ali, 25 years, and the investigation is under process, it notified. Samyukta Kisan Morcha to observe Anti-Repression Day today. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha is set to observe Anti-Repression Day on Wednesday in the wake of the Delhi police booking farmers over the Republic Day violence at Red Fort during the farmers' tractor rally. Demonstration will be held at the district and Tehsil headquarters and memorandum to be submitted to the president will be given to officials. The farmers' body has also given a call to mobilize farmers back to the Delhi borders to begin phase 3 of their agitation. Till now, the farmers' tier had seen two phases. The first one that continued till January 26 and the second one after that, and now the third phase of the protest will begin after February 27. Farmer leader Jag Mohan Singh told PTI. Their mighty things Mars rover giant parachute carried secret messages. The huge parachute used by NASA Perseverance rover to land on Mars contained a secret message thanks to a puzzle lover on the spacecraft team. System engineer Ian Clark using a binary code to spell out their mighty things in the orange and white strip of 70-foot parachute. He also included the GPS coordinate for the mission headquarters at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. Clark, a crossword hobbyist, came up with the idea two years ago. Engineers wanted an unusual pattern in the nylon fabric to know how the parachute was oriented during descent. Turning it into a secret message was super fun, he said Tuesday. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.